What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So a little bit of a different video for you guys today. As you can see, we are in the Cybertruck and actually recording this with the Insta360 Go 3S. So everything you see, unless the camera is in the picture, is being recorded, and all footage is shot directly from the Go 3S to give you an idea of how well the video quality looks. For those of you unfamiliar, this did come out about 8 months ago or so, so it's not brand new at this point. However, the capabilities and what you get in this little pint-sized vlogging camera, as they call it, since they're not really referring to it as an action cam, you get a lot of bang for your money with 4K recording at up to 30 FPS. And I think this footage can look great for content creators or anyone looking to get those better shots with pets, with sports, and just great B-roll footage as well. So this could be a great addition for a lot of people. I'll throw those links up down below. I want your guys' opinion. Let me know down in the comments, how well do you think this video looks? Obviously, it's a nice day outside. Let's go ahead and capture some footage. So as you can see, I think it has a great wide dynamic range, and I'm very curious to see how the audio turns out. So looking at the actual picture here, I can see there is a slight delay in what you see on the display from what I'm saying, but beyond that, what do you guys think of the video quality? We have the sun obviously behind us. What do you think about the dynamic range? We have shadows on our face. But I think in good lighting conditions, this captures everything pretty good. That 4K sensor, the lens is a little different than on the actual Go 3, but I do think that this is a huge improvement over the 2.7K to 4K here. So as you can see here, the camera is separate from the housing as we're holding it. And this makes it, again, a great addition, like I said, to be able to vlog if you want to put the camera in a different position, be able to walk around and not have to necessarily hold anything. However, curious again, like we said earlier, to hear how the audio sounds to you guys while holding the case now as well. Obviously, the camera has a mic itself, so it'll be interesting to hear. And now running a little bit, here's how the stabilization works in 4K 30 on high. There is still a max setting as well, so keep that in mind. Depending on what sport or what you're trying to record, a different setting might be needed. This is not the max, it is second to highest level. How does the stabilization look to you guys, and how is the audio? We'll go ahead and stop here, pivot around to get you some more looks of the video quality. What do you guys think? So as you can see, I am a little ways away from the camera now, and I'm curious to see how well the mics are picking up my voice, because a lot of people aren't necessarily going to hold this. They're going to use the pendant, which will keep it close to your body. But if it is attached or set down on a table separate, trying to give you that wider angle shot, how does the audio sound? Testing 1, 2, 3. Let me know what you guys think. What you've seen here today for the Insta360 Go 3S, their $430 price point that they're asking seems reasonable for the 128 gigabyte storage option. Since it does come with those extra accessories as well, I think this is the one to get. Whether you want to blog or use it as an action camera, I think this is one of those good ones that is so versatile, it can't be beat. They want to compete with the likes of the DJI Pocket 3 and the GoPros. We're talking about two separate segments. I'm not sure how much I agree with the vlogging aspect here, but do you can see how well it works. This is it in very bright, good lighting. You saw it actually being attached on the Cybertruck and actually using it to see how the wheels were turning. I think it is so versatile. This is the one to get. Don't waste your money on the 64 gigabyte storage option simply because it is not expandable. What you have can become a nuisance with that little bit of storage. If you're recording at 4K all the time, you're gonna blow through that way too quickly. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Again, we'll throw up those product links for you guys to pick these up. We greatly appreciate it. It helps out the channel immensely. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.